Finding the solution to a two-variable inequality involves sketching a two-dimensional graph and shading one either above the two-dimensional graph line or below the two-dimensional graph line. And again, that's opposed to one variable inequality where we're just finding the solution along a number line. So a two-variable inequality has a 2D solution, a one-variable inequality has a one-dimensional solution along a line. So the first thing I'm going to do is then sketch this graph. So I'm going to draw the graph of this inequality, of the equation. Since it's equal to, I can draw a straight line. So I know that this is going to have a y-intercept of 6. So I'm going to draw my y-intercept in. I'm going to have a slope of -2. So I'm going to go over 1, down 2. I'm just going to draw that pattern in. And then I'm going to take my ruler here. And I'm going to sketch that straight line. And when I sketch this straight line, I just want to make sure that whether I'm going to draw a solid like this, or if I'm going to draw it dotted, okay, based on the inequality being equal to or not equal to. So in this case, it's equal to, so I'm just going to draw it solid. I'm just going to draw a little bit thicker here. And I'm going to draw that line straight through. Okay, and then so I have that line and I have it like this. Okay, and then I want to find the solution is where y is less than that line. So I'm going to shade this side of the line. So this side of the line represents the solution to that inequality. So then we can check this solution by checking the coordinates. So I can check -1, -2, -1, and I can determine whether that solution, that coordinate is part of the solution or not. So I'm going to draw -2, -1. That's a coordinate there. That is in the solution region, so I'm going to check that off. Furthermore, it satisfies the inequality when I plug in the y. So I get this inequality, -1 is greater than or equal to +10. That's a check. So that's the check of that coordinate. It's in the solution region, and it also, when I plug it into the actual inequality, it works. If I check 3 and 6, okay, so if I check 3 and 6, this coordinate is going to be at 3 over 6 up right there. This is not one of the solutions, so I'm going to actually not circle that. Okay, so that is not one of the solutions. It does not fit. If I do my check here at +6 is less than or equal to -2 times +3 plus 6, that's going to be 6 is less than or equal to 0. That is not true. So then that coordinate does not satisfy the inequality in the equation nor in the solution region. If I move on to the other one, 3, 0, it's right on the boundary. Now, since it's equal to, that works. And again, if I check this, 0 is less than or equal to -2 times 3 plus 6. I get 0 is less than or equal to 0. That's okay. So that satisfies that inequality, both in the area and in the equation.